that was issued. That has expired, but as you can see, all the counties in yellow there, they are tornado watches, and all the counties in green, the green layer underneath that yellow layer is a flash flood watch, and that's for all of our viewing area. We've also had several severe thunderstorm warnings, and I just want to talk a little bit about what's going on. Let's look at the big picture first of all. This is where we have Fred right now. You can see the counterclockwise rotation. It entered down near the Pittsburgh area, and now it's continuing to move to the east. Now, if you look at the motion of the storms, they're actually going north, but the entire system itself is spinning and turning east. So we've got kind of a double-edged sword here. So I just want to break this down and give you an idea. This is going to last into the evening hours. So this isn't something that's going to be wrapping up with here in a couple of hours. So we have the storms, like what you're seeing here, down towards the Harrisburg area. See that? All of that is moving north in this direction, all right? But the storm itself is actually moving to the east. So I'm going to put this into motion again, and you'll see what I'm talking about here. See the counterclockwise rotation? And that's all part of this area right here. It's spinning and it's turning, and as it's doing that, it's moving in this direction. So even though the storms are moving to the north, about 40 miles an hour, the whole system itself is actually moving to the east. And if you notice on the last couple of frames here, and I'll just erase this so you can see for yourself, we'll go to the now frame, and you can see just south of Williamsport, there's a cluster of nasty storms down there, south of Harrisburg as well. All of that is going to be moving up into the Susquehanna Valley and the Wyoming Valley. Now, a couple of things we're concerned with that we've already seen with these storms as they move through, and we'll go, our risk right now is considered slight, but that doesn't mean that we're not going to see potential for damaging winds, also for the flash flooding and those isolated tornadoes, as we mentioned before. So all of this is going to be moving east as we head into the evening hours. I'll give you an idea here. We'll go real slow. This is future radar. Back it up. So this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We have some of those storms. There's 4:30. You can see the storms are moving north, but the system itself is moving east. And that's what we're going to see. And see some of these lines right here through Sullivan County up into Wyoming County, and then eventually the Wyoming area, the Wyoming Valley. That could be some nasty weather here later on tonight. So if you're going to be outside working or playing or doing those things, you're going to want to pay close attention to changing weather conditions. That's why I've been saying on TV for the last couple of days, as we've been awaiting for Fred's approach, to download that WNEP app. Really, you're doing yourself a huge favor by doing that. Not so much to push the station on you here, but just to give you an idea. There's lightning in your area, if there's flooding, what kind of severe weather watches or warnings are out there. We want you to stay informed, be ahead of the storm as it's moving through. So again, just to recap, we have some nasty thunderstorms that are just to our south that are going to be moving north. So you folks in central Pennsylvania, be ready next couple of hours. And then over eastern Pennsylvania, those storms are going to be here this evening. And I think that heaviest rain will be coming down this evening. Eastern Pennsylvania between, say, 6 and 10 o'clock tonight. So we got to watch the potential for some flooding. So we just wanted to jump on social media for a few minutes just to give you an update, let you know what's going on with remnants from Tropical Storm Fred, and we'll continue to track these. Any, of course, tornado warnings in our viewing area will break into programming. But that's just an update. Keep